Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a content creator like me, a photographer, or a gamer looking for reliable and high-capacity storage, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the Samsung EVO Plus SD card, a powerhouse of reliable storage that ranges from 128 gigabytes all the way up to a massive 1 terabyte. Let's check out what makes this card stand out. First off, let's talk about build quality. The EVO Plus SD card isn't just about storage. It's designed to be waterproof, temperature-resistant, X-ray proof, and even magnet-proof. That means your data stays safe, no matter where life takes you. Now let's talk performance. With blazing fast read and write speeds, this card is perfect for capturing 4K UHD videos, high-resolution photos, or even expanding your gaming console's storage. Whether you're upgrading your camera gear, expanding your phone's memory, or giving your Nintendo Switch some extra space, the EVO Plus SD card delivers smooth, reliable performance every time. And with storage options from 128 gigabytes to 1 terabyte, there's a size that fits everyone's needs. Need space for your entire media library? The 1 terabyte model has you covered. Just looking for a little extra room? The 128 gigabyte version is perfect. Installation is a breeze, and the included SD adapter makes it versatile across devices, from cameras to laptops and beyond. So, is the Samsung EVO Plus SD card worth it? Absolutely. It's fast, durable, and reliable. Everything you could want in a storage solution. If you're looking to upgrade your storage game, don't miss out on this incredible card. Check out the links in the description to grab yours today. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews.